Hey up everyone, how's it going? Right, I did a keyboard review the other day, now I'm going to do a mouse review. This is my mouse, I've been using it for about a month now. It is a Glorious Model O minus. It's a very good mouse, but I do have one issue with it, and we'll get into that throughout the video. But specs wise, this mouse weighs 59 grams, only 59, so it's amazing for gamers. The only mice which are lighter than this, for the most part that I can think of, are the Final Mouse Ultralight Phantoms. I think it's Ultralight Phantoms, or the Cape Town edition ones. So specs wise, we've got the honeycomb pattern on it. We've got 5 buttons, we've got 2 on the side, 1 there. We've got obviously your left and right, and you've got a DPI switcher there. This one's in the gloss black finish. I have noticed it has scratched there. You can't really see on camera. If we get up closer, there you go. It has scratched ever so slightly, but that's because it's been hitting off my keyboard, because from the last video it is a K95, it is quite a big keyboard. And the only problem I can think of with the gloss black version is it picks up a lot of fingerprints. A lot of fingerprints on there. Still shiny enough that you can see me in the background though. The RGB on this mouse is beautiful. I do have the mouse hooked up to the Glorious mouse bungee, which is obviously designed for this mouse, but it will fit any mouse. So we don't have the cable tugging along the back. And the cable is, I think it's called Paracord, and it feels almost like wireless. And there's the Hyperglide skates on the bottom, which make it slide around like that with ease. The Glorious Model O has Pixart's 3360 sensor. It's not the newest sensor, but it's still a very good sensor nonetheless. And combine that with the weight of this mouse, you have a very good mouse on your hands, or in your hand. That makes more sense, doesn't it? It also has mechanical on-run switches in both the left and right click, which have a nice tactile feedback, although I have realised a slight squeak coming from the right click. The software with the Model O minus, I've had no issues with it so far. It does let you select your lighting profiles and what each one of the buttons do, and it also allows you to select which DPI you want as well, and other features such as the polling rate of your mouse and the lift off distance. So no issues here. So right then, overall it's a very good mouse, especially for the price. I paid £45 for this, something like that. That's about $50 US. And for the price, it is amazing. I don't know how they're making profit on this. I definitely recommend it if you're in esports. And it's just a quality mouse. So yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you didn't like it, do whatever the dislike thing does. And my Instagram, Twitter and Twitch links are in the description below, and have a good day.